What's up, Brent for Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull of this 08 Shelby GT laying down over 500 roll horsepower. We are going to tell you how we got there. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe. Hit notify us today. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, a couple things before we go down. Take a look. We are located in Indiana. You can open that description. I'm going to put links to everything I'm getting ready to tell you so you can read a lot more about the parts. Of course, you can always email quote@brenspeed.com. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? But here's what we have. 88,000 mile 08 Shelby GT, Ford racing manifold, Ford racing throttle body. We did our Novi 2200 turnkey supercharger package. It's intercooled. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, cooler spark plugs, fuel pump upgrade. We also have a set of pipes, long tube headers, and a set of our Detroit rocker camshafts. Pretty much everything you would do to a stock engine. And while the car was here, we did a set of 410 gears. It's gonna rip on the street. Check out this dyno pull. All right, so manual transmission car running 93 octane. I will put a link at the end of this video that you can just click on that shows a ton, over 100 other 3-valve Mustang videos. The cool thing about those are they're mostly dynos, and you can kind of see what mods you might want to buy, what kind of power they typically make. But check this out, DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5, 522 roll horsepower at 6,500 RPM. Torque comes in at 428, which is a safe zone on this car, 6,000. Boost is 10.4 pounds at 6,700 RPM. Nice scrap, killer car. Let's take one more look. So manual. Hey, here's the cool thing about this. This car drove in and it already had Mickey Thompson drag radials on it, which is something on a 3-valve when you have a blower like this, you know, unless you just want to blow the tires off, that's going to really help. So cool car. I'm Brent. Have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching Brenspeed TV. And again, we can ship all these parts right to your door. We have almost all these in stock, and you can email quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? Thanks for watching.